Hello, in front of me I've got Mazda CX-30. In this video I'll show you how to navigate to points of interest. In the beginning, let's go to Google Maps and next tap Search. Go to Categories and select point of interest you are interested in. Select it. Tap Start and it's done.
Head northeast.
To stop navigation route, select X. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.